How to download CapCut in iPhone. Want to edit videos on your iPhone? Let's download CapCut in under a minute. So first, open up the App Store. So go ahead and look for App Store on your iOS device, and that will take you here. So on your App Store, head over to the search tab, use the search bar, and look for CapCut. And then from the results, go ahead and click on the CapCut app. Click on this download button. So you would need to confirm this through a Face ID, and then once done, the download will then start. So once the app is installed, make sure to grant permissions for photos, audios, and video, then start editing. And that is how to download CapCut in iPhone.